This video is to encourage everyone to learn the Autodesk BIM software or building information modeling BIM as the best additional knowledge, even you are a new learner or not engineer. Like AutoCAD draftsmen, mostly they are not engineer, but they are happy their work because they will know a lot of things in the building construction while setting in computer only, which makes you interesting. Like this conceptual design, I made it last couple minutes ago. 3 multi-story building we done in short period of time. Very interesting. Doing manual design before too much time, but now very easy. I very believe you will enjoy once you learn this software. Even you are HR, accountant, skilled worker, procurement, etc. Everyone can use this free software 30 days for your career, business, or use own house construction or as additional skills. If you have your own design like furnitures, interior design, etc. you can sell online your 3D models, then you can make money of this software. The BIM software designed for easy tools for design building and road etc. This BIM software just click and drag and input value. You don't have to be engineer to just click, drag and input the value. Once I teach you basic value information, then follow it. You can be BIM modeler or draftman, like this I shown to you. Very easy. Additional knowledge of BIM software will bring enough level that can be used to daily decision making. You can consider you almost know everything as BIM modeler, because BIM is building information modeling. How many hundreds of materials and activities in the constructing the building that you will know. Continues learn of latest technology, materials, devices, etc. Very interest, right? As they said, more knowledge, more power, means other than models of the building. Attached all the information of the building, that very interesting to know it. Just try to imagine that you are going to school, learn, and apply to work, because BIM is a course. Like engineer, they are going to school, learn, and apply to works. So the same procedures, right? The software technology is designed to compress the study time from school. We know almost everyone using software, apps, Facebook, media, etc. You spend many hours, days, weeks, or years of it, then after nothing happened. So why you will not find the softwares or application that very productive or can improve your career, future business, etc. Not wasting time. The Autodesk BIM software is the productive software. I will show to you how easy, just keep tuned. Once you learn this software, you will be happy to use it, because all your imagination of any building design will come to life. You can see what look like you imagination in 3D. You can walk through your building, automatic quantify, schedule, many automatic feature for this software. I will show to you how easy to use this software. Everyone know that almost of the companies using softwares in admin department or accounting, procurement, estimation, etc. that using designated, because the software can reduce staff cost. So if you have knowledge of BIM softwares, probably they will keep you, because you are a flexible staff. Knowledge in BIM softwares and get job will last long time, because nobody can program your imaginations, but other profession can program to a software like accounting, banking, estimation, quantification, scheduling, procurement, etc. Are programmable. Check in the internet. This current hard situation, the company looking for talented or flexible staff to make them competitive in the market. If you noticed, many people are jobless because made of the technology or robotic system, check in the internet. So always follow the technology, not only using the softwares but up to know the programming system, so that when time comes that almost using robotic management system, still we have a job as computer programming staff. So BIM is stepping stone to computer programming to learn you in the future. Don't behind the technology, you must always update it in technology. What is 2 months or 4 months or 6 months to learn BIM softwares as course? For your careers or business and for your future, that's very less time to manage. That will not affect your works, because it is online. Like you are watching FB, YouTube, news every day. Now I will show how easy to learn Revit for BIM. Just click, put the value and enter. You don't need the engineer to use Learn BIM. As I said earlier, even the engineering student first year level, they start learning BIM. So there's no difference if you start now, to follow the technology to get easily job. Because around 70% of the construction company and other business, they almost all, are using software. So 30% of company tries to follow the technology and hiring those having BIM knowledge. As per internet, over 100 million are using BIM softwares, having stable job and will be priorities to get job because they are flexible. If we will not learn now, maybe we don't place to get job, because hundreds to thousands of people enrolling BIM software every day by online or university. Almost of learning courses online because may in COVID situation, what if they stop the online class? So again, we lose the opportunity to study the latest technology. Now there a chance, grab it and learn. Based in our experience, study in YouTube or free course is big difference if you study in online class or university, because they will teach you in detail and you make complete building for architectural, structural, mechanical, electrical, plumbing in Revit. So at end of the course, you will happy that you made that building.